They just hit each other again. Just drink. Oh, there's one. They're both on each side. Stealing.
I say it's just sure.
Hear them buzzing? I say, scare me. They were buzzing my head. Come on, there's tons of stuff to drink. Never seen it like it. I never seen birds fight territorial. Standing on joust. You know, it reminds me of the game Joust. Remember we used to say, with the fucking chasing the.
Should I break it up?
Huh?
Should I intervene?
No, what are you gonna do?
So you can break it up.
Fucking want to fucking stick you in that ear with your fucking this thing. I'll have to come get you. Yeah, get out here. You're scared. You're afraid of birds. For me, I'll get you.
Guys, share.
Watch them. They ain't afraid of you. I never seen anything like this in my life. Look at them. They're fucking jockeying. Yep. They're on you.
The thing is empty almost anyway.
No, it ain't. There's two of them hanging there. Maybe they're mating. Maybe that's a mating ritual. It's like a fucking territorial fight to me, really. Eventually they'll run out of juice, they'll both have to stop, take a drink. And one sat down. Oh, the other one waiting for the free next year. Look at them. Your mother should see this shit up close. Oh. He went in for a drink, the other one didn't like it. See it?
Yeah.
See it? He gets tapping him. Every time he comes in for a drink, he gets tapped. Look at him get tapped again, right here.
It's ridiculous. Just share. You fucking assholes.
They ain't fucking, they're showing off now. They're buzzing. Look at them. Oh, you got a little tap in there. Look.
Yeah, I never seen hummingbirds fight.
I never seen this. I know the territorial, but look at them. Both on each one. They're both separate drinking. That's good.
Just fucking share.
You getting this?
Yeah.
Sounds like they got lightsabers. They're buzzing.
Yeah.
I'll get you, Darth Vader. Oh. I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is great. Until one of them hits me in the eye, then I'm going to kill them both.
They should just share.
You can't.
There's two of them.
Tell Jocelyn to share her toys with some other kid that comes through. You know what? She won't. She want to play with the toy that the other kid picks up.
One of you fucking leave and come back in 5 minutes.
Is that funny or what?
Yeah.
They just stop and hover. That's what they already little helicopters because birds don't usually stop and hover. You know? They stop in one spot. Come on, there's plenty out there.
They should have moved them so close together, I think.
That's where they want to be. This is it. I'm gonna dump I want to put them on the big one and fill it back up. I'm gonna. It's a backup. They drink at it. This way they sneak. There's more than one. Usually, remember there used to be two on one. Remember they were being nice. These two don't want to play nice. Look. Look at them. They're just fucking hovering. They're both thirsty. They're running out of juice. Let's just drink. They're getting little mouthfuls. This one's dipping in. They're both dipping in to see what the other one's doing. They're done. Look. Ain't that cool? Was that cool or what? What the hell was that called? They were fucking.
Oh, they're back.
They were at it, weren't they? As I said, I've never seen anything like this in my life either. I went out to look at my tomato plant and I got buzzed. They were both by my head. They back?
Oh, there's one up in the tree.